Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I don't know if it was just me who picked up these vibes or you guys picked up the vibes as well. Man, I know ukuthi it's Umusa's birthday party, but hi man, the vibe was not vibing, guys. Khona into nje that was just, I don't know. There was something in the atmosphere. I was not even there in the atmosphere, but I am watching this from television and I can tell ukuthi hi man, the atmosphere, it is awkward, you guys. And that's why I think why Umpumelelo saw it fit ukuthi he must address ukuthi there's problems in the Mseleku family and whatnot, guys. We could all see it in the air, and I'm sure even the ones who knew nothing about what's going on could pick up with the eye, man. There's something that's not going on here. Number one, it looks like Utobile was supposed to be doing something. Because remember on the episode, Umselegu says something which Utobile, 5 minutes wakupelile. So I don't know if she was supposed to be the MC. I mean, Utobile. According to my knowledge, she does emceeing as a profession. So she was supposed to be an MC, and then it looks like another person took over or whatnot, but something was just not balancing, you guys. Manje, my question is, who gave Umpumelelo the mic, you guys? Because it looks like Umpumelelo was not even supposed to be on the slot of people talking. I mean, Umpumelelo says it himself when he saw Umnini crying. He took the mic instead of, in fact, Unwandle took the mic. I don't know why Unwandle took the mic from Umnini. He should have took the mic from Umpumelelo because Umpumelelo was just talking nonsense. At this point, guys, I feel like this is the result of uxoxa indaba phambi kwengane. This is the result. Because I'm just like, no, Umselegu or anyone else from the Mselegu household must not act surprised, especially Umselegu, must not act surprised when Umpumelelo is speaking like this. Because I feel like Umusa has groomed Umpumelelo to be where he is. Maybe he did not expect for Umpumelelo to have such a big head at this point. But I'm just like, what do you expect when you keep telling Umpumelelo who's going to take over? When you keep telling him all of these things that Umusa tells him, what did he expect Umpumelelo to turn out as? And then other things you speak for him now when you see Ingati, he's out of hand. Now, because I feel like this is the only season where Umusa is speaking or spitting out facts about Umpumelelo. Which being Umusa said, listen, Umpumelelo, he's trying to be a father to my wives. That time, oh my wife, they don't answer to him, they answer to me. I'm just like, Lomfanus tatapis bind. Where does Umpumelelo usithatha isibindi to speak like that? So I feel like it's because ubaba wakho umxoxela indaba zakhe. He speaks to Umpumelelo. Umpumelelo starts feeling, oh, okay, if my father can discuss his wives or who gives him problems amongst the wives, and that's why he has this platform to speak to his mothers or to speak to his elders like this. I'm just like, this is just so distasteful. This is so distasteful. I wish someone had grabbed that mic because listen, everyone agreed ukuthi that was not the time and the place to be speaking about such things. And then he wants to sound profound, but he's saying ukuthi ubaba uyasho ukuthi mina ke like I don't negotiate, mina ngiyayithatha inqumo and whatnot. I'm just like, Mpumelelo, calm down off of your high horse because lento eqalayo ngeke uyimele. And I'm glad ukuthi Umusa's wives are not nathering him. They're not even taking offense to that. But listen, guys, all I'm gonna say ukuthi Umthombeni akaphile bandla. Akaphile, because if that doesn't happen, guys, Umpumelelo is going to mosha this all of Umselegu's hard work. But Umusa, I mean, guys, he needs to be careful. What he did to Umpumelelo, he must not do it to Umnini, because I'm starting to see those traits Umnini as well. Like, he'll say certain things. No, let a child, as Umatsale said to Abongwe, let a child be a child. If you believe a child has leader characteristics, there's other ways. There's other ways to groom a child than the way Umusa groomed Ulokuzan Umpumelelo. But at this point, he's out of hand. I am even questioning myself, Umpumelelo in his relationships, how is he coping? Because if he wants to act like a big shot in front of his elders, amongst his peers, and amongst his girlfriends, how is he acting? Oh, guys, that was just so distasteful. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next